Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Daniel and Mr. Dimas. We would like to say thank you for Mr. Daniel and Mr. Dimas for coming to this presentation. And honored to meet you here, and it's great to see you. And then next slide. Okay, so let me introduce myself and my partner. First, my name is Azka Dirnuriski.
My name is Beryl.
My name is Amanda.
My name is Larasati.
My name is Nayana.
And we are from Bioprocess Engineering 2020. So in this opportunity, we would like to present about, first, we will explain about case study that we have obtained, and then we will try to explain about the problem of the water spinach in this reality and base of literature. So, and we will explain about the definition of modified atmosphere packaging or MAP and how does it work. And then I will explain about correlation between water spinach and MAP. So finally, we will explain about our innovation.
Case study. Usually, farmers pick water spinach in the afternoon and are taken to the market morning dawn or subuh. Market traders sell water spinach for one bunch for 1,000 rupiah. The freshness of the water spinach stored in the refrigerator lasted up to 3 days, and if the water spinach was stored at the room temperature, lasted up to 2 days.
I will continue the description of water spinach and some of the content here. Water spinach belongs to the Poaceae family. The position of water spinach plant systematic is classification. Kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Caseo, Viola, Diffusius, Spermatica. One type of water spinach is the of Chinese scale. Stem has red segment with small seed oxide, rods black and strong with color. The table is popular in southern China and Asian countries. All types of kale can be stem and flower. Which spinach has a high content of vitamin C, carotenoids, and glucosinolates. However, the shelf life is 3 days when it is fast that is lost water to yellow and red. The compost harvest treatment is used to delay aging and the content of the waste. Next.
Okay, the next I will describe MAP is modified atmosphere packaging is packaging method that can extend shelf life agricultural product, usually used for vegetables and fruits. This technology principle of gas regulation in the package. Gas in the package consists of three gases. There are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. The function of gas regulation is to control vegetables and fruits in the package, so the shelf life can be longer than usual. The gases function in MAP to inhibit the growth of gram-negative aerobic spoilage bacteria. MAP perform gas control by increasing carbon dioxide levels, decreasing oxygen levels, and increasing nitrogen levels in the package. This is because carbon dioxide is a very effective inhibitor of spoilage bacteria, and oxygen reduction is done because oxygen is a source of life for spoilage bacteria. And the last, the addition of nitrogen serves to filler and prevents packaging collapse.
How does my technology work on water spinach? So water spinach that has been harvested will continue to do respiration. Water spinach will take advantage of oxygen levels and itself, and also in the environment. The presence of oxygen will cause damage such as lipid oxidation, browning, pigment oxidation, and trigger the growth of aerobic microorganisms. Water spinach storage technique using MAP will be stored in plastic packaging and placed at a low temperature with added gas like nitrogen or other type of gas. The mechanism of the MAP technique is to remove some of the air and replace it with nitrogen gas, where the oxygen concentration will be low and carbon dioxide will spontaneously rise due to the reaction with photospinach respiration, so that the shelf life of photospinach will be longer than the usual shelf life.
So, and this is our innovation, intelligent MAP biodegradable application, a product monitoring applications with IoT-based MAP packaging technique. As you know, Industry 4.0 is known as IoT, but on the other side, technological waste is also problematic. One of which is polymer-based plastic, which is harmful to the environment. Therefore, it's necessary to make plastics made from biodegradable polymers. Some example as renewable materials such as polysaccharide of plant origin such as starch and cellulose, and then variety of biofibers derived from biorenewable reinforcement such as natural clays to natural fillers, including wood, straw, and rice husk. This package will later be installed with several sensor or detector options such as auto detector sensor and then CO2 specific chemicals and pH change, humidity sensor, time temperature sensor, and then biosensor for bacterial detection. And then some of these sensor will later be integrated IoT to be seen and monitored through the application. So the case studies that have been known at the beginning, namely monitoring kale or water spinach, which is good and not to be eaten can be done. So this application discuss the most common optical approaches and emerging technologies for real-time for monitoring and address topics related to the future development for large-scale food packaging application. These are usually based on different types of food quality indicator like pH and then O2, CO2 temperature and can provide information for consumers as regard product safety.
Okay, so the conclusion for this problem is that photo spinach has a fairly low shelf life and spoils quickly. In order for these problems to be overcome, first using MAP technology is carried out by removing most of it and providing nitrogen gas, where the oxygen concentration will be low and the carbon dioxide level will spontaneously rise due to the reaction with respiration of photo spinach, so that the presence of oxygen that can trigger problems in the product cannot cause damage faster. Photo spinach packaging using the MAP method is provided with innovation in the form of intelligent MAP biodegradable applications where the product can be monitored so that product indicators can be known through IoT-based application. And this is literature that we use for. Okay, that's all we can say. Sorry if there are shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.